Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm continuing on where I left off with the VN the other night, and I need to give the interior a clean, whack the leather interior into it, and give it a bit of a detail, and then we'll get some cool videos and go for a quick drive. Alright, first things first, need to get the vacuum and get this thing bloody clean. Morning George, how are you mate? Great. Now I need to wipe down all the plastics and get it looking fresh. And put the seats in. I've got the passenger seat in and I'm just whacking the driver's seat in. Then got to sort out the rear. A lot of you probably have owned cars before that you've bought and they've had stickers, and they are impossible to get off, even when you have a blade. Oh, that's actually working, not too bad. But they sort of, see if this one comes off. Failed. Came off great. Put my skills to use somewhere else on the car. Alright, this one's, looks like it's a bit older. It's been exposed to the sun. You can see all the cracks through it. It definitely will not come off because it feels like it's part of the bloody car. Let's see if I get a... So it's going to splinter and carry on. Very annoying. I'll show you what I use to get stickers off. Like a wire out of me. But I just use an Resto heat gun I bought for about $20 from Bunnings. Right guys, so I've just driven down the road to get a quick video of it running. This car's beautiful. This car's turned out so damn good, guys. Drives so well, looks awesome. Very, very, very happy with it.